Hello, welcome to today's Outlook. Sorry for the lateness, we've had a little bit of a storm here in Ireland and it's knocked off the Wi-Fi. We're having some problems, but back now. I haven't missed much, to be honest. Just keeping an eye on a few majors really, mostly EURUSD. We'll have this level marked out. It's got previous support here, a little bit of resistance, turns support, so nice area to be playing off. We do have this sort of uptrend going on, looking to continue that, even though we sold last week, which was a nice little trade, but break of Monday's low and then sold that. We were looking for continuation into Friday, but we took most off at this swing low. We will be looking for continuation, so really this is the make or break point in this for this pair, is this level. If it does break down, then it's going a lot lower. But what I'm looking for is a H1 close above Monday's high, and that should act as a pivot to take price higher. We have a nice little level here as well, a little bit of resistance sitting in here. So a close above this level would show that bulls are back in control and should take price higher. Now, I was looking at pound as well. This level, if I can just sort of get it in here, I'll colour it in so you can probably see it a little bit better. So we have previous resistance, support. So quite a heavy level, and resistance here, support. So we've come back down and tested this level, so looking for a little bit of a bounce. But if we do break below this level here, then it's going much lower, so we're just a little bit in limbo, but I do prefer to play the upside to this. Just looking for similar on Euro USD, similar sort of price action, looking for that close above and to take us higher. Aussie dollar sort of went out to the monthly for this level. You see the resistance, support here, support in here, support. So we've just broke above that, come down and retested this level in this support. You see it sort of cleaner on the weekly. Come down, we've retested this level, lows here, support of these highs. So quite a lot of confluence here to take this higher. Similar sort of price action to Euro USD and pound. Break above Monday's high. Hopefully we get higher prices. I do prefer to play Euro USD over the others. Just dollar Swiss is setting up nicely as well, where it's failing to capitalize on this swing low. We did have a bounce, but it looks like it's going to go maybe much lower. We've closed below Monday's low and reacted. Looks like it's going to sell off, even though that's not a trade for me. I'll be waiting for this Euro USD trade to kick in. Looking at Kiwi, not as clean as the others. No real defining level that I can find to take this higher. It's not really as clean as the others. I just have this recent swing high here, which lines up with Monday's low almost. So we'll see what we get with this. If we can break structure and get above Monday's high, but it seems to be a long way away. For now, concentration will be on Euro USD and Pound USD. We have a little Pound Aussie as well. I've marked out these two swing highs because we've reacted off them before. We come up, once we got below, we reacted off them as well. So they are a key level. We are below it, but see this level comes in here. I'll mark it out in pink for you. So if we do get above Monday's high. The price is just being retained by this level at the moment, but if we do break above that, is a real strong indication that we are going higher, and I do like the look of these highs up here on pound Aussie. So that's all I'm waiting for at the moment. Letting the mechanical trades, when they set up, and then just sort of hand picking one or two trades that I like. So that's it. Again, sorry for the delay. I'm trying to get everything sorted here, getting back to normal, and anything you want me to look at, you can let me know.